Enjoy the video! Hello everyone, this is me, the Netherite Canine Bat 47 here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Raid the Red Fighting Wolf in Rapper Offline. This is a tutorial how to make characters, so let's get started. And there we go, we have Ray as a red wolf. So, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. This was made back in 2024. So, I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed, if you find it useful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for new videos. See you later.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna